Hi everyone. Now let's talk about copy method in list data structure. Now let's see how we can use copy method. So we are just copying the same list data structure into another format. Now let's see here. I am just taking list equal to. I am just taking values like these are the values I am just taking. So cross verify whether this will be list or not. You can see here list 1 you can take print of list 1, then print of type of list 1, then execute. So this is the list that we have. Now what we need to do, so if we want to delete all the values, we can use clear method and we can use another method. Now I am just using here list 1, then star that equal to 0. If you specify, we can delete all values, all elements. So now let's see, again you need to take, so execute. Now what will happen, now these are the values we have. We can use clear method also, like you can say, so you take same method. Now what we need to do, list 1 dot clear. So you can take print of list 1. So this is the method. So either you can go this approach or you can go this approach. We are using this to remove all the elements from the data structure. So now what we need to do, whenever I am using clear method or this method, all the elements will be erased. Now how we can go for another approach, that using copy method, that you can see here. What we need to do, I am just taking my list equal to, then you can say 1000, 2000, 4000, any values you can take. Now you can take here print of my underscore list, then you can say print of type of my underscore list. Then what we need to understand here, you can take new underscore list equal to, then you need to use copy method. Whenever I am using copy method here, then what we need to understand, then here print of new list. So when I execute here, you can type print of type of list also. So now let's see. So this is the list I am displaying. I am checking this whether it is a list or not, and then I am using here copy method. From this, after copy method from my list, then it is forming new list here and just displaying that. So now let's see, the same copy it is occupied here. So one, these are the values. So now what we need to understand here, then when we are executing these things, what will happen. So you can take same way, but what we need to understand, you need to take one more example. You can say customers. So copy means directly copying without missing anything. So here what will happen, let's see, customers equal to, then you can say John, Victor, then Blake. So three customers we have, print of customers, then print of type of customers. So now you can able to take like this, print of then total elements from list data structure. So now let's see here, then you can say len of customers. Now what I am trying to do, I am just copying here new customer list with the same customers. I am just taking, so customer dot copy method. Up to now we don't have any problem. So now let's see here, you can observe same method that you can say type and then length. So when we execute, then list will be here, first customers 3 and total number, and then after copying also new list also will be 3 here. Now what will happen when we delete from an element? Now what I am trying to take, I am just trying to remove from new customers. Okay, so new customers dot then remove Blake. So after removing, what will be the customers and new customers both, you can see. So now let's see, so now I'm no need to here, then customers and new customers, which is copied. Now understand very quickly, this is the first one and this is the first one, and displaying the same list and then type of the list, and then we have how many elements are there, then we are copying here. You can understand this is copying. Okay, copying list, and this is the first list, and then this will be the copied list, and then how many elements are there here. Now here I am just removing the element, so after removing, what will be the first list and copied list, the data. You can understand what will be the first list and then what will be the copied list data. So when I execute now, let's see, so it will be the first and second which is copied. Now the data here, you need to understand, this will be the 3 and copied list will be removed and original list will be as it is. Now what do we need to take? So you need to remove everything here and then execute. So list remove. Okay, so we have already removed this one, that's why it is showing like that. Now what I am trying to take, I am just taking same list here. Okay, we'll take one more example here. So remove, we'll remove one more element from this. Okay, so when I execute now, what will happen? Now I am just taking here Blake and then Tini and then Killer, whatever. So here I am just removing this one killer. Okay, now what will be the list here? Execute. So total 5 list will be there, 5 elements will be there, and then after when we are copying into new list, then new list is not appending. So new list is removing element, then old list is not able to change, that is constant. So using copy method we can keep original same as it is. So that is how we can able to use copy method. Okay, so now this is about copy method from list data structure. So you try to take one more example, then you can get to know what is exactly copy method. The original will be same when we use copy, and it will affect changes on new copied list, so which is not reflected on primary list data structure. So okay, so thank you so much, see you in the next class.